Hello, my dear Elizas. Welcome to Eliza Beauty. This is your favorite makeupreneur, Ranjana Bhatia. Guys, today here I am with another amazing Shopify tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you about the general shopping settings, and moreover, I'm going to tell you about the payment gateway, that how you're going to get paid for by your customers, and what kind of payment gateways are available, and how you're going to add your bank details and other things to get paid by the Shopify. Alright guys, and this is a mini tutorial and it will not be a detailed one, and for the part 3 I'm going to release it soon as possible. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now we will go to store setting and we will name the store. You can name the store anything that is the name of your brand. I'm naming Elysian Beauty. Alright, email is already there. Alright, and receives messages about your store for sender email. Go to notification, customer notification, order confirmation, and after this message will be transferred to customer from the email after they buy the product from our store. Okay, alright, thank you for your purchase. We are getting your order ready to be shipped. We will notify you when it has been sent. Alright, store name Elysian Beauty, save. Alright, so these are all settings that is required. Order ID, we will start with 1 1 0 100. No, we will start with 1. Alright, and the order will appear as 11001 11002. Alright, after an order has been paid, automatically fulfill the order's line item. Automatically fulfill only the gift cards of the order. Don't fulfill any of the order's line items automatically. After an order has been fulfilled and paid, or when all the items have been refunded, automatically archive the order. So we will manage the order, save changes. We will manage the order. Common brand asset used across apps and channel. Default logo, scale logo colors. Add a default logo. Done. It will be used across all the sales channels. Alright, Add a cover image. Done. Alright, cover image has been added. Slogan. Write any slogan. Embrace your shine. Define your style. This is my slogan. Embrace your shine, and define your style. And we will add a short description. All right. So we will add the short description here. All right. Now we will add social links. Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Alright, you can add all of your links here. I will do it later. Alright, now save.